beautiful friends, my name is Katie, and in today's video we are adulting. And I mean, we are adulting so hard right now. It is 2019 and I guess it is time that we have some adult remakes. No, that sounds awful. That's not what I mean. What I mean by this actually is business casual clothing. Now, if you've been here a while, you know that how should I phrase this? I don't wear business clothes very often. I wear a lot of sparkly, I wear a lot of ridiculous. I really like kind of out there fashion. I wear a lot of preppy J. Crew meets a hippie organic farmer. I don't typically wear a lot of business casual clothing, and with that I do not typically wear a lot of dress pants, which means that I actually don't have any that fit. All of my dress pants are from when I was like 19 or 20, and trust me girl, they don't fit anymore. They don't remotely zip. Yeah, I can't even fake it. Like, they don't fit at all. So I've had a couple of opportunities pop up where you have to wear something that is business casual, and a lot of people were like, oh, just wear some black pants. Just wear some black pants. Just wear some black pants. Well, I don't have any black pants. I don't have any that zip up. And because I wear them so infrequently, I did have the thought when I was driving past the mall of like, I should go and buy some pants, but like I don't want to buy pants because I'm not gonna wear the pants that often, so I don't want to pay $20 to $40 for pants that I'm really not gonna wear, which made me not really want to invest a lot of money in pants. So I went to my favorite place, which is the thrift store, of course, and I looked around to see if I could find any pants that I could wear, and this thrift store was full of amazing pants. I'm going to link the thrift store haul above here, but basically I got a ton of items, including like 5 or 6 dress pants for seriously 17 cents an item. So these dress pants cost me 17 cents, which is absolutely fabulous. I know most people do not have access to bag sales in thrift stores that have absolutely ridiculously amazing prices, but even if this thrift store did not exist, the other normal thrift stores in my area that are the big like box chains of thrift stores, their pants are at most like $7. So you can still totally go to the thrift store and grab some pants that are secondhand that will fit you for, I'm gonna say $7, even though I don't think I've ever spent $7 on pants at a thrift store. And if you are like me and you are, I don't know, the shortest human alive, all of the pants are gonna be too long. So in this tutorial, I'm just gonna use some hem tape, which was like $3 new. I've used it on another project, which I will also link above in the card. And this took me seriously like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, however long it took me to heat up the iron to do. It is super easy, and it is a great and affordable way to get custom pants for cheap. So let's go. Here are the pants that I'm working with. These are actually Gap pants in a size long, so you know they're gonna be way too big. And they are so big that, do I have feet? I don't know. So with them on, I'm gonna turn them over and pin them. You want dress pants to be between 1/4 and 1/4 of an inch off the floor so that they don't drag and you don't trip on them. I'm actually sewing mine a little bit longer because I'm a commitment phobe and I don't want mine to be too short. So I'm gonna take off about 3 1/4 inches and I'm gonna fold it over. Most pants are gonna be really easy to fold, and then I'm gonna pin it and try it back on to make sure that there's nothing weird happening and to make sure that they are not still too long, which they are still a little too long, but go with it. It should be a little bit off the floor. And then I'm gonna use my heat and bond tape, and I'm gonna turn my pants inside out, and then I'm gonna lay the tape in and I'm going to iron it down. The instructions say to heat it for about 3 seconds, but I found I had to do a little bit longer to actually get it to stick. And then you're gonna lightly tug at it to make sure that it is indeed sticking. And then you're just gonna go all the way around the pants with this stuff. I did notice that in certain parts my material was buckling a little bit just because I rolled up so much of it because I didn't actually want to cut these pants in case I decide to donate them later and someone actually tall wants to wear them. But look, now they're shorter and now they fit and now I will not trip. And with this method, no one can actually tell that you have totally cheated the system and made your pants shorter with just tape. Was that the shortest tutorial ever? Probably, because this seriously takes no time at all, and it is such an effective way to get pants that fit you for super cheap. So like I said, these pants cost me 17 cents. I already had the hem tape, so technically this remake cost me 17 cents. But if we want to go like big numbers, I'll say $7, and then the hem tape was $3, so $10 total. And this is such a great way to kind of pad your wardrobe with more items. I actually have a great friend of mine who just graduated college. Shout out to you, you wonderful human. And we were going through her closet trying to identify what she could wear at job interviews or at her job. And I just think it's such a funny catch-22 that like you're in college or you're just starting out, you have no money, but you need money to buy clothes for the job interview, but you don't have any money to do that, and it's just such a muddled mess. So doing things like this by padding your wardrobe with nice thrifted finds is such a great way to look great on totally a thrift store budget, but no one's gonna know that you bought it at a thrift store unless you tell them like, look at how fabulous these 17-cent pants look. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It just lets me know that you guys are there, and it's free! And who doesn't love free things? It doesn't even cost you 17 cents. You are getting a deal on this one. All you have to do is click. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button down below, because I make lots of DIY and lifestyle and hack videos, and I like to save you guys money, and saving money is also one of my favorite things. So you guys should subscribe. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I will see you next time. Bye!